post-tropical storm Ophelia did make landfall yesterday morning. Now a post-tropical storm. But guys, I was looking at the flight tracker this morning. It's a mess in terms of the airports here across the Northeast. So keep that in mind if you are traveling. The rain and the wind continues over this area. We did see storm surge and all those flooding impacts from Ophelia. But thankfully, it's on its way out. Another system that formed is Tropical Storm Philippe. And this was yesterday evening, now a 45-mile-per-hour wind. And we are, or I should say, Tropical Storm Philippe, and it is going out to sea right now. So one of the factors that's limiting its strength is there is some wind shear. So wind shear usually tears apart these storms. And that's why right now the National Hurricane Center only has it forecast to strengthen to a tropical storm. And then as it moves over the central Atlantic, as it makes that northwesterly turn, it's going to hit even more wind shear. So that's really limiting Philippe right now, although we're not expecting it to affect land. Right behind Philippe is this area that we're watching with now medium chances, a 40% chance of tropical development here over the next 7 days, and then a 10% chance over the next 2 days. If it does become a tropical storm, it'll be named Rina. So we've been talking about the Jags game all morning long, and this is what you can expect. So early this morning, 11 a.m., quickly warming up to the 80s, 85 because of mostly sunny skies. Those temperatures are allowed to really warm up. By 1 p.m., that kickoff time, 87 degrees. And then by 4 p.m. in the upper 90s, mostly sunny skies, no humidity to factor in, but with the sun blaring, high UV index values, it is going to feel hot. So stay in the shade as much as possible and really drink that water. So hour by hour forecast, only high cloud coverage for today. That's going to be a nice end to your weekend. And then as we head into your Monday, we're really going to start to track the rain, especially in our southern locations, possibly in the early morning hours. You may have a stray shower or two, and then in the afternoon as well. And take a look at what happens. A little bit more widespread for our inland locations. A line of storms starts to form across I-10 and then along the I-95 corridor. And that's when we're going to get those showery storms between 9 and 10 p.m. in the evening. After that, conditions improve for your Tuesday overnight, but then another round of storms, and we're going to get gradually more rain chances as we head into the midweek. So enjoy today. 65 degrees, warming into 82 overall by 2 p.m., possibly 90 degrees, and then by 5 p.m., 88 over our region, and overall 90s widespread. Winds not as blustery, but you may get a breeze here or there. And take a look at what happens over the next 4 days here in terms of the rainfall chances. Like I mentioned, Tuesday increasing chances, Wednesday a complete washout, and that continues into Thursday, especially across Southeast Georgia. I think you'll get some of the most rainfall totals from this event. But take a look at what happens over the next several days. So we do have a stalled front that's going to move over our area. And that's really going to generate all these storm chances heading into the midweek. So enjoy the dry start to your week, because later on you're going to need to make sure to have the umbrella and the raincoat handy, because it's going to be a pretty rainy week here.